वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव शुभकार्येषु सर्वदा।
Principal Sir, in charge of pre-primary and primary section.
सभी पेरेंट्स का स्वागत है।
I request a warm and pleasant morning to all those present here. If there are no stars, there won't be beauty in the sky. If there are no difference of opinions, if there is no annual function in the school, our young and dynamic children would not get the opportunity to show the profound talent what they possess, the catalog of challenges we face, uphold the pride of our institute, endeavors we faced, and the success we achieved, and to show what we were, what we are, and what we will be. Hence, I, Mrs. Anita Nair, most privileged to stand here before you all to extend my profound greetings and wishes on this auspicious day of annual celebration. From the bottom of my heart, I wish each one of you present over here and share my affection with a stream of love. Let me welcome in hierarchy, first and foremost, our Honorable Chairman, Shri G.M. Pandya Sir, our beloved Madam, the Chairman of the Saraswati Vidyalaya, Srimati Pandya Madam, the charismatic Principal, Abbas Sir, the talented and hard-working in charge of pre-primary and primary section, Mrs. Lavanya Iyengar Madam. And not to the least, I welcome all the parents present here. I appreciate your presence. You have shelled out valuable time from your busy schedule. Your presence will become a source of inspiration and encouragement for our children. So, today, without making much delay, first program of the day is lighting the lamp to our Mother Goddess, Saraswati Devi. It is a traditional event for which I ask all the dignitaries present here, from Chairman Sir to Madam, Principal Sir, and the in charge, to come forward and please do the honor of lighting the lamp. Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge. Mother, we pray for your blessings with all humility. Give us wisdom to make this world a better place. May all human beings live in harmony with nature and other forms of life. Ma Saraswati, we need your blessings. We need your presence here today to make this event a grand success. For all your presence here to share the joy, and I wish that let this occasion become a memorable day for you all. And next, we have to honor all the dignitaries present over here with a token of love by presenting bouquet of flowers. And for that, I call upon first Principal Abbasa to give away the bouquet to our Honorable Chairman, sir. To exchange the bouquet to our beloved Madam respect. I request Madhuri Ms. Henry Thomas to exchange. lasting impression. And I hope all the audiences present here have been enthralled by the performance given by Diksha Pujari. And she really got a very good platform in our school to present her talent. So, Diksha, you should be even thankful to the school for giving you this platform. Now, let us start with the program of pre-primary and primary section. And I am highly privileged to host the program of these two sections. So before we start with the performance, I would request the teachers here to show the presentation with the help of the projector. Good morning, everyone. A very warm welcome from the pre-primary and primary section. God made world and people made different countries. You saw India zooming out of the world. India is a land with diversity and there exists still unity in the diversity. You can see the beautiful scenes which are there in different parts of our country. Like it was shown about the lakes, the desert, the Munnar of Kerala. These are the national symbols of our nation. India is a country with unity in diversity. You can see the symbol O. It's an icon of Hindu religion, half moon and star of Islam religion, the cross of Christian religion, and you can see the kanda of Sikh religion, Lord Buddha representing Buddhist religion. And you can even see the different colors depicting the different religion. And all the religion are getting integrated together in one single flower. In India, you all know we are a secular country and there is no restriction. We can follow any religion of our wish. That is a great thing what our country possesses. And that is what the theme of today's event. That is, we have taken India as a theme, and we find all these diversity only in India. All this only happens in India. Lavani, Garbaras, and many others. Each and every part of a country has different folk dances. You can see how it adds color to the nation. And all these things, it happens only in India. And now, let's enjoy the lovely performance from the tiny tots of pre-primary. Haath mein kangan, Kumate pe bindiya. It happens only in India. Sorry, I'm not a singer, but I just tried. So here you can see that we are going to Maharashtra, Thane district. In Thane district, we are in Bhayandar East, and in Bhayandar East, we are in Parigaon. And let us go to the Saraswati Vidyalaya and see the power pack performance of the tiny tots from the pre-primary section. I request all the audiences, put your hands together and sing. Let's see the power pack performance. It happens only in India.